Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 4-channel Bluetooth audio mixer. I've already been using this for over a month now, and this is a great mixer to have if you want to mix different audio sources into one and then project it out to the main speakers. So let's get into it, and let me show you how this product works and all the different features that it has. So you can see here, you have 4 different input channels right here. You have your XLR for your microphones or for the other devices that uses XLR plugs. You can even plug in the 1/4 inch, and then this even has the 48 volt phantom power right here. So this is your first channel, second channel, and then this one splits it from 3 to 4, but that's mono right here. And then you're able to control every channel with its own knobs right here. So you have your gains, your pan, your volume control here, your highs, mids, lows, and then this is to adjust your FX right here. Same as 2 and then 3. And then here you're able to plug in your CD or tape decks using the RCA cables. This side here is for your input. This is for your output. Your auxiliary 1 and 2 right here if you have headphones, and for the returns. For the outs, you can either use your XLRs right here or the 1/4 inch. So it comes with this 1/4 inch adapter like so, and it even comes with this RCA cable, and it comes with this USB to USB cord. This is to change for the sound effects. You use these buttons right here. Here you're able to switch it from either hi-fi mode, or you press mode, Bluetooth mode. Here's your main volume control. This is your volume control for your FX. Here shows your different peaks, right and left. And then here's your power plug right here. Okay, let me show you how it works a little bit. Okay, so I already hooked it up via Bluetooth on my cell phone. You can plug in your speaker right here. I'm using just the RCAs to the 1 1/4 adapter. Plug this into your auxiliary. In order for this to project out, you gotta press this button right here for the USB/MP3 player. And then that's gonna turn on these 2 buttons right here. So I'll let you hear how it sounds.
Thin it is, yet how strong and durable. So you can see the wheels are nice and thick and heavy duty.
And then if I want to lower the volume, I lower the volume
heavy duty
right here. So you're able to lower that volume there.
With the hook.
If I want to use
telescoping,
a microphone at the same time, I plug in here.
Nice.
Turn it on. Mic check 1 2 1 2.
Material.
So you can use 2 up to
last a long time.
So
see how easy it is to set it up.
So this is a great device if you want to have your microphone and then playing your music at the same time. So this is great for DJs, great for karaoke. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great 4-channel audio mixer. I like how it has the 4 channels. I like how you're able to adjust each channel independently, and also like how you could hook this up via Bluetooth for your audio source, and the different ways to hook it up either with the XLR, with the 1/4 inch, or even with the RCA plugs. So this is very versatile, and this is great to use.